Today I'm going to get some of these planted out in a raised bed. I've got 2 or 3 trays of these, so since the weather's improved a little over the last few days, I am going to plant some of these outside. The birds won't be able to pull these out because they're already rooted in this soil. So we're just going to sort this bed out. I'm just going to get a bit of a rake, pull any weeds out that might be in there, and we'll get some of these planted today. So I'm basically just giving it a quick rake just to level it off a bit and get some weeds out. And then I'm just going to firm it down a bit. And I'm just going to use a cane as a guide so I can do straight rows. So we're just going to use this cane to mark as rows out. And then we'll use a dibber to make the holes for the plug plants. Very useful tools, these. So there we go, first onion in. And only bury it to the same depth as what it was in the tray. Make sure you space them 4 inches apart. And it literally is this easy once you've already grown in trays in the greenhouse in advance. So as quick as that, you've got 1 row done, and then you want them 4 inches apart on the rows as well. And we'll start the new row. So I'm just going to finish off planting these onions. So that's his first outdoor planting of this season, and it didn't take long at all thanks to this tool. So yeah, that didn't take long at all. It's always worth having a tool like this handy, because if you plant in raised beds or containers, it's a second per plant. So there's no effort in it. I have got a lady on this channel called Sheila Thomas, and she comments quite often on virtually every video. She really enjoys the content, and she does a lot of container planting herself. So Sheila, if you would like one of these, then just drop me a message. If you're in the UK, I can get one posted out to you for free, because I have a few spare. Anyway, thank you very much for watching that quick video on planting out the first onion sets of 2022. And if you want to see what happens later on through the year, just hit that subscribe button and notifications bell, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.